Hey everyone, how you doing? Hope everything is well. I just wanted to make this quick video on how to check string gauge. Sometimes if you get a used guitar or you buy one from a store, they don't know what string gauge is on there, or you really like the way it feels and you want to make sure you put the same string gauge on there. Now obviously if you're going to do a complete setup and put your own preferred gauge on there, this doesn't apply. But just a quick easy way that I've always found, I have these calipers here that I got on Amazon for like $8. They're digital here, as you can see. It's got millimeters, inches, and fractions. So basically what you want to do is put it, now I just put 10 to 52s on here, right? So that's what's on here right now. But let's say I just got this guitar, I bought it on OfferUp or Facebook or something, and the guy doesn't know, which has happened to me many, many times. So you just take these. Now I always like to measure down here behind the bridge, or up in where the tuners are. I don't really want to measure anywhere here, just for me personally, because my fingers might rub off some of the string. The pick obviously is going to rub off some of the string, but the pick and your fingers generally never touch this area. So I have this set to inches, which is typically what guitar strings are when you buy them in the pack. So I just put the calipers here, I measure until it stops, and if I take it off, you can see right here, hopefully, it says 0.052, which is, that's going to be, obviously when you go pack, that would be 10 to 52. You can also, do the bottom string as well. And I mean, sometimes it's not like exactly accurate. Hard to get this thing on there, but right. So now you can see this says 9.5. It was just going 9.5. So again, you're going to be in that wheelhouse. If you measure a couple of them, you should be able to tell. Especially, this is really handy too, especially if people have like custom gauges on there where they have really light bottom, or really light high strings down here, and really heavy or thicker gauge strings up here. If they have like a custom set, you'll be able to tell with these. Again, this thing was like $8 on Amazon. It's just a quick way to see what strings were on there that you got. Hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.